Kaizer
No,
Bothaus? Which Kaizer
no,
Bothaus?
the father
Oh,
who
okay.
built Kaizer Chiefs, yeah. And
Okay.
then
Okay.
I'm actually taking this record according to the achievement because their football style was different than all. So
Mm.
Kaiser is the one who started showing this the other ones that going to America. When you come back from America, you can be this powerful. Then he even started
Yes.
his own team. Or that came also. He went to overseas. He came back. He wanted to buy Orlando Pirates. They said no, and then he bought the Highlands Park. That's an achievement. And then others, well, they're still going to achieve. They're still going to achieve.
Mm.
So we can't put them on the same level with what you call. But now, from that point, then I will start going to the what you call to the football what you call performance because